Now here is a 70s classic. Take a look at this. We don't see these every day, that's for sure. 1976 Chevrolet Vega two-door hatchback. Underneath the hood, 2.3 liter or 140 cubic inch inline four-cylinder. And best of all, that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome up front on the bumper. Headlight bezels, of course, the Vega emblem and the chrome trim in the grille. Original paint color of this car, 78, which would be medium orange. Tell you what, check out the still pictures, especially the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, should say hatchback. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And check this out. It's riding on a wheel, an actual rim, not a steel rim, but an actual good-looking mag wheel. Beauty ring, white wall radial tire. We'll take a look down this passenger side. This is believed to be an original mile car, showing a little over 10,000 miles on it is all. And we're going to check out the interior a little closer, take a peek underneath the hood, start it up, let's hear it run. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take a look at that bucket seat car, A51 RPO code on the data tag. Very stock looking interior. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Yeah, you may find an imperfection here or there, but overall paint shows very well. Nice shine to it. Take a look at this. Still has the unleaded fuel only sticker still near the gas cap. Lots of times it was inside the door for the gas cap. If you have any stories about these Vegas from back in the day, or maybe you had one or parents had one, go ahead and put it down in the comments below this video. Love to hear from our viewers some of the stories that we see and hear on here. A few notes from the technician on this one. Said it does have new rear hatch struts. Drives like it should. Actually said it drove out very well. Jason's going to take it for a spin, like I said too. I'm sure he's going to let us know. It brakes straight, 75% remaining brakes in the front, 80% in the rear, and some typical powertrain seeps. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven and has been driven. But again, it doesn't appear that there's many miles in this, and we will get into the interior, and I'll show you some things on that also. If you like these cars you don't see every day, maybe you came across this, or you like street rods, muscle cars, trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase too. All right, so take a look at this door panel and just the lack of wear on that panel. You know, the armrest, we typically see it discolored. Look at the condition of these. Stickers on the door, still like new. Tire pressure, and then take a look underneath. That door, now solid that is. Don't think you see them like this out there too often. Then interior wise, the seat belt clip guide hasn't even been broke. How many times you see those things broke? And then seats, just no wear hardly at all on the seats. Same with the steering wheel, pedals, shift knob, the typical places you're going to have wear in a high mile car. So there is the odometer. It reads at 10,327. Again, believed to be original. I can't confirm or deny that just due to the fact once a vehicle is a certain age, it's not on the title. It's marked exempt. All right, let's fire this thing up. All right, top of the dash. No cracks, appears it was stored indoors. What do you got here? An AM radio. See if this powers up at all. Doesn't appear to. We're gonna leave it on. It should have came on right away. So radio may be an op. Dash looks good. Get the hood released so we can take a look at that. Let's listen to it. By the way, that is an original, numbers matching, 2.3 liter. I'm going to pause this a second because I'm going to need to get that prop rod up so we can look at this engine bay, but it is clean. So hang on and I will be right back. So hood liner, still intact and also in good condition. Running smooth. And as far as numbers matching, the stamp is right on that pad right there. And you'll see that in the still pictures. How fun would this be? Roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. I don't know if you're going to see another one like it when you roll in. 1976 Chevrolet Vega 2-door hatchback. Numbers matching. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today, we're driving a 1976 Chevrolet Vega. Probably the nicest one I've ever seen. 4-speed manual on the floor for the most fun. Just look at the dash. Look at the seats and the door panels. They're really amazing. This car says it has less than 11,000 miles on it, and I believe it. The steering wheel also, no cracks. Nothing like that in this car. The heater blower motor is working, blowing some warm air. As you can see, it is wintertime in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Now the fuel gauge reads over full, but the speedometer is reading accurate. The rest would be warning lights. Our turn signal indicators work. The wipers work. Beautiful seats. Kind of a woven vinyl in the middle with vinyl sides. Just can't get over the condition of the interior. The headliner looks amazing. Clutch feels good. I mean, it feels brand new. Shifts like brand new. Go down to second gear for the traffic circle. A light car, doesn't need a lot of power. It moves pretty good. Corners nicely. Just rev it up a little bit. It's a 4-speed. Absorbs the road's bumps very well. Find all the pictures of this very nice 1976 Chevrolet Vega in orange at UniqueClassicCars.com.